Okay, for 19.2, Brookdale Banners bought the following assets during year one. They use the straight line depreciation method, and we're going to complete a depreciation table for each asset for each year of the estimated useful life. If the asset was not bought at the beginning of the year, calculate the expense for part of year one that they owned it. So we're going to start out with January 4th. Bought a display case costing $4,040, estimated salvage value $200, estimated useful life 8 years. So first we'll just kind of plug in the numbers that they give us. So our salvage value, they said, was $200. Depreciation method, straight dash line, useful years 8. It cost us $4,040, and the date we bought it was January 4th. So we start with our beginning book value, which is our original cost, so the $4,040. And then to calculate our annual depreciation, we will take the original cost, so $4,040, minus our salvage value of $200, and then take that number divided by our useful life, so divided by 8. And so we get that each year our annual depreciation will be $480. And since we bought this one in January, this first one should be pretty simple. So $480, accumulated depreciation will be $480. And then we'll take the $4,040 minus $480 and get $3,560. So then our beginning book value is going to be what we just had for ending, so $3,560. Annual depreciation for this one will always be the same of $480. And so then $480 plus $480 for accumulated is $960. And then our ending book value will be $3,560 minus $480, and we'll get $3,080. So we start out with $3,080, $480, and $960 plus another $480 equals $1,440. And so our ending book value right now is $2,600. So $2,600, $480, $1,920 for accumulated, and $2,120. So we'll start out beginning $2,120, $480, accumulated $2,400, $1,640. So that will be our beginning. Accumulated is $480. So $2,880. And then our ending value will be $1,160. $480. Plus $480. $3,360. $680 for our ending, $480 for our annual, $3,800 40. And then our ending there is 200. Okay, so then our next one is September 20th. We bought a workstation, $4,800 for our estimated salvage value of $0. Estimated useful life is 5 years. So salvage value 0. Depreciation method is straight dashed line again. 5 for useful life. Our cost was $4,800 and our date bought was September 20th. So this one we'll have to do a little bit different because we didn't buy it at the beginning of the year, but our beginning book value will still be what they gave us, so $4,800. And then our first year's depreciation will not be the full amount, but we still calculate it the same way. So take your original cost, so $4,800 minus our salvage value, which is 0. So that makes this one a little bit easier. So then $4,800 divided by the 5 years. So we know that our annual depreciation is $960, and I'm just going to put that down in year 2, just so I don't forget when we get to that point. And I'm going back to year 1, so $960, then we're going to take it by how many months in a year, so divided by 12 equals 80, and then we take it times the number of months used. So since this is the end of September, we'll say October, November, December, so times 3. So 240 for our first year. So it'll be 240 for the accumulated, and then our ending book value will be 4,800 minus 240. So 4,560. 4,560 is also our beginning. Then, like I said, I already stuck in that 960 just so I didn't forget what it was. So we'll take 240 plus 960 equals 1,200. And then our ending value here is 3,600. So 3,600 for beginning, 960, 2,160, and our ending is 2,640, 960 per annual, so 3,120 for accumulated, and then our ending balance is 1,680. That's also our beginning. And then our accumulated will be 4,080. $720. $720. And then remember that we bought this in September, so our last year here won't be a full year either. So we could do it kind of the same way, do our 960 divided by the 12, so we know how much per month, which is 80, and we had it for 3 months prior. So from January to September would be 9 months. So then I'm just going to take my $80 times 9 and get $720. And then my accumulated depreciation is 4,800 and my ending balance is 0. So that's all you have to do to complete your depreciation tables.